So today we will do exercise 2a, question number 9. So question number 9 is what? If alpha, beta are zeros of the polynomial px equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 6, then find sub number 1. Sub number 1 is given what? We have to find 1 by the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So solution. So if you will see here, the coefficient of x square is given how much? 3. The coefficient of x is given minus 2. And the constant term is given how much? Minus 6. So here first we have to find alpha and beta are the zeros. It is given here. Okay. So but here first we have to find sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. So according to the formula, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. This is from the formula. Okay. Sum of the zeros. Sum means plus. The zeros are given alpha plus beta. So minus coefficient of x. In the question, the coefficient of x is how much? Minus 2. So we will write down minus 2. And coefficient of x square equal to how much given? From the equation, that is what? From the polynomial, it is 3. So 3 we will write down here. So alpha plus beta equal to how much? Minus into minus plus 2 by 3. And product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. So according to the formula, it is what? Constant term. Constant term by coefficient of x square. So product means what? Into. The zeros are what? Alpha and beta. So alpha into beta. That is constant term. From the equation, from the given polynomial, constant term is what? Minus 6. So minus 6 we will write down. And coefficient of x square is 3. So 3 we will write down here. So 3 2s are 6. Alpha into beta, how much we got? Minus 2. Now sub number 1, it is given what? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So 1 by alpha. So alpha and beta, we will find the LCM of alpha and beta, alpha beta. So here 1 into beta, it is beta, plus 1 into alpha, it is alpha. So beta plus alpha plus beta is same. How much? It is 2 by 3. So we'll write down 2 by 3 in numerator. Alpha into beta, how much given? It is minus 2. So minus 2 will write down in the denominator in place of alpha into beta. So numerator will be the same, that is 2 by 3. This will change. Okay, minus 2 by 1, it is 1 by minus 2. 2 1 the 2. That is what? Minus 1 into 1 1, numerator into numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 nothing get 1, 3 1 is 3, minus 1 by 3. This is the 2. Sub number 2 is what? Sub number 2, we have to find what? In sub number 2, question number 9, sub number 2, we have to find what? Alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square. For sub number 2 also, first part is same. Again you have to write for sub number 2, this one you have to write again. Okay, so this will be changed. This will be what? Alpha square plus beta square. Now we have to apply the formula alpha square plus beta square. So what is the formula of alpha square plus beta square? So we will find out the formula here first. Okay, we know that a plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus twice ab plus b square, right? So a plus b whole square plus twice ab, if you will take this side, it will be minus twice ab, right? And the right hand side is left what? A square plus b square. So the formula of a square plus b square equal to what? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. We'll apply this formula here. Here alpha is a and beta is b. So alpha square plus beta square equal to what? Alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta. Twice alpha beta. So alpha plus beta, how much? It is 2 by 3. So we will write down 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta, how much? It is minus 2. So minus 2 will write down within the bracket. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Now here denominator is nothing, that we know that there is 1. So LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Now 4 into, so 9 divided by 9, it is 1. 4 into 9 divided by nothing, then we know that there is 1. So 9 divided by 1, it is 9. So 4 into 1, 4 plus 4 into 9, 36 by 9. 4 plus 36, how much? It is 40 by 9. So this is the answer. I hope all of you understand. Sub number 3 is what? This part only we have to change, okay? Alpha cube plus beta cube, this one, okay? So alpha cube sub number 3 is alpha cube plus beta cube. So first part will be the same, okay? So next part will be a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This formula will apply here. Okay. So here, which one formula will apply? Alpha cube plus beta cube equal to what? Alpha plus beta whole cube. This formula minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta how much? It is 2 by 3. We'll write down the 2 by 3 here. Minus 3 into alpha beta how much? Minus 2. We'll write down the minus 2 here. So alpha plus beta how much? 2 by 3. We'll write down 2 by 3 here. This 3 will be the cancel. 2 cube how much? 2 cube 2 to the 4 2 to 8. So we'll write down 8 here. 3 cube how much? 3 to the 9 3 to the 27. 27 we'll write here. Minus into minus plus 2 to the 4. Now LCM 27 and 1 27. 8 into 27 divided by 27 it is 1. 4 into 27 divided by 1 it is 27. 8 ones are 8 plus 4 sevens are 28 2 4 to the 8 9 10 by 27. 8 plus 108 how much? 116 by 27. This is the answer. I hope all of you understand. Look, today we have finished from exercise 2a question number 9. All the sub number, that is sub number 1, sub number 2, sub number 3, all the sub number from question number 9 we have finished. For today, thank you very much. See you in my next class. Bye bye. Have a great day.